Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making this delicious and nutritious breakfast idea at the comfort of our home. No equipment was used in this recipe, and this is a very easy recipe. So bring your hand and let me teach you how to make the most delicious burger buns, and they do not have any preservatives. Let's make them together. So you have 3 cups of flour, margarine and instant yeast, warm water, and then we have to save our dry ingredients. So those are our 3 cups of baking flour, and then you add in 2.25 teaspoons, not tablespoons, teaspoons of instant yeast. If you're using dry yeast, kindly put it in water and test your yeast, okay? And if you don't trust your yeast, always test whether your yeast is alive or not. So here you have to build up your muscles, and you're going to ask me how. Guys, this kneading process, it was not a joke, okay? And add in your butter progressively as you go on, okay? Yes. And you have to achieve a very smooth consistency. After you've achieved that, you smear and you oil your baking tray, cover it and leave it for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, our dough has already doubled up in size. Punch out the air, guys. There is nothing that a baker loves than seeing your dough doubling up in size, okay? So after that, dust and oil your pan, your baking tray. And how do you dust and oil? You dust by just applying oil and flour. That's it. Don't forget to oil your pan. But if you can also decide to also use a baking sheet, cover and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, as you can see, our buns have already doubled up in size. Preheat your oven and bake them. You preheat your oven for 10 minutes. And for the coating process, you can either decide to coat or not coat. So that is just a little bit of milk, 2 tablespoons of milk, and the yolk. You take a brush and you brush the upper part of the bun, because we want our bun to be brown, okay? We want our bun to be brown. And then you add in your sesame seeds. You can, for the sesame seeds, you can either decide to just leave them or let them be. And look at that, after baking them for 1 hour, 180 degrees, look at that, guys. These buns didn't come to joke, and as you can see, I'm just testing the softness. They're very soft. And thank you so much for being here. God bless you so much, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.